Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. A few different pieces in here. Rules and millimetres, material's been wetted. First piece is a piece of matrix. Sliced off a bigger piece. See, somebody's marked it out. Ready to cut. This piece. Perhaps a stone along here. Piece of potch and colour. You have to decide which side you're going to sacrifice perhaps, or make a double-sided stone. This is sort of crystal type material. That's a line, somebody's drawn a line on there. Piece of interesting sort of matrix with a bar of colour through it there. Make a nice pendant. Perhaps like that. Kite shape. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.